Yoga for Stress Relief, 5 Essential Poses. Welcome to my channel. In the bustling modern world, the quest for serenity and stress relief is paramount. Yoga, an ancient practice renowned for its mind-body benefits, offers a path to tranquility. Within its vast repertoire of poses, there are 5 essential ones specifically designed to alleviate stress. These asana, or yoga postures, have the power to calm the mind, release physical tension, and restore inner balance, making them indispensable tools for cultivating peace and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Legs up the wall pose Viparita Karani. Legs up the wall pose, known as Viparita Karani in yoga, is a fundamental and highly effective posture for combating stress and promoting relaxation. In this asana, practitioners lie on their backs, extending their legs vertically up a wall, creating an L-shaped position with their bodies. This seemingly simple pose yields a multitude of stress-relieving benefits. Firstly, Viparita Karani encourages improved circulation, aiding in the return of blood and lymphatic fluid from the lower body to the heart. This not only reduces swelling, but also facilitates detoxification. Secondly, the pose triggers the body's relaxation response, calming the nervous system and slowing the heart rate. It's a potent antidote to anxiety and a powerful promoter of mental tranquility. Additionally, it helps release muscle tension and soothes the mind, making it an ideal choice for stress reduction. Viparita Karani is an accessible and versatile pose suitable for individuals of all yoga levels. Whether incorporated into a daily practice or used as a quick stress relief tool during hectic days, it is a valuable asset for cultivating inner peace and overall well-being in the face of life's stresses. Number 4. Standing Forward Bend Uttanasana. Standing Forward Bend, or Uttanasana, is a foundational yoga pose renowned for its stress relief properties. In this asana, you stand with feet hip-width apart and fold forward at the hips, allowing your upper body to drape over your legs. This simple yet powerful posture offers a range of benefits for stress reduction and relaxation. Firstly, Uttanasana promotes relaxation by encouraging deep rhythmic breathing. As you surrender to the pose, tension in the neck, shoulders, and spine begins to melt away. The gentle inversion in this pose also increases blood flow to the brain, which can help alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety. Moreover, this pose provides a sense of release, both physically and mentally. It allows you to let go of worries and concerns, fostering a meditative state of mind. Uttanasana also stretches the entire back body, from the hamstrings to the spine, providing a soothing and invigorating sensation. Uttanasana is easily accessible to yogis of all levels, making it a valuable tool for stress relief that can be incorporated into a daily practice or used whenever tension arises. This pose serves as a reminder that sometimes letting go and surrendering is the key to finding inner peace amid life's demands. In the midst of life's chaos, Uttanasana is a sanctuary of stillness where stress dissolves into the serenity of the present moment. By incorporating this pose into your daily routine, you can tap into its power to release physical and mental tension, promoting a balanced and peaceful state of being. Number 3. Cat-cow pose Marjaryasana Bitilasana. Cat-cow pose, known as Marjaryasana Bitilasana in Sanskrit, is a dynamic and essential yoga pose for stress relief. It involves moving between two contrasting positions that create a gentle flowing rhythm, which can significantly reduce stress and promote relaxation. Starting in a tabletop position, you arch your back into the cat pose as you exhale, drawing your belly button towards your spine and tucking your chin to your chest. This action releases tension in the spine and massages the abdominal organs, relieving stress and anxiety. Conversely, as you transition into the cow pose with an inhale, you lift your tailbone and head, allowing your abdomen to drop towards the floor while gently gazing forward. This phase of the pose stretches the spine and opens the chest, facilitating deep breaths and enhancing relaxation. Cat-cow pose offers a graceful dance of breath and movement, inviting a sense of harmony and balance into your body and mind. It's a reminder that in the ebb and flow of life, finding this gentle rhythm can be a powerful antidote to stress. helping you restore equilibrium and resilience. The cyclical movement of cat-cow pose encourages mindfulness of breath and body, fostering a sense of calm and reducing stress. It's particularly valuable for relieving tension in the neck, shoulders, and back, the areas where stress often manifests physically. Incorporating this pose into your daily routine can be a soothing and effective way to combat the pressures of modern life. Number 2. Corpse Pose Savasana. Corpse pose, or Savasana, is a quintessential yoga posture for stress relief and ultimate relaxation. Often considered the most challenging of all yoga poses, it requires lying down on your back with arms and legs extended, eyes closed, and focusing on your breath. While it may seem deceptively simple, it offers profound benefits for the body and mind. Savasana is a potent tool for stress reduction because it allows you to completely surrender and let go of physical and mental tension. It promotes relaxation by lowering the heart rate, calming the nervous system, and reducing blood pressure. The practice of Savasana encourages mindfulness and a deep sense of presence, leading to a tranquil state of being. In our fast-paced, stress-filled lives, carving out time for Savasana is essential. It rejuvenates the body, recharges the mind, and offers a profound sense of inner peace. By integrating this pose into your yoga practice and daily routine, you can harness its stress relief benefits and cultivate a more balanced and serene way of living. Savasana is a powerful reminder that true rest lies not only in physical stillness, but also in the quieting of the mind. It serves as a sacred pause, allowing you to experience a deep sense of peace and renewal, making it an essential practice for modern-day stress relief and holistic well-being. Number 1. Child's Pose Balasana. Child's pose, known as Balasana in yoga, is a fundamental and indispensable posture when it comes to stress relief and relaxation. In this pose, you kneel down, sit back on your heels, and gently fold your upper body forward, resting your forehead on the mat with arms extended or by your sides. Balasana is often used as a resting position in yoga practice, but it offers profound stress relief benefits. This gentle forward fold induces a sense of surrender, allowing you to release physical tension from the neck, shoulders, and lower back. It promotes introspection and mindfulness, encouraging you to focus on your breath and inner sensations, easing racing thoughts and worries. Moreover, child's pose is incredibly soothing for the nervous system. It triggers the parasympathetic nervous system's rest and digest response, effectively lowering heart rate and reducing stress hormones. Incorporating child's pose into your yoga practice or daily routine can serve as a mini-retreat, offering a moment of solace and rejuvenation amid life's challenges. It is an essential tool for managing stress, promoting relaxation, and finding inner peace. Balasana is not just a physical pose but a sacred pause, allowing you to recharge your spirit and regain balance, making it an indispensable tool in your journey towards stress relief and inner serenity. Embrace it with an open heart and let its comforting embrace dissolve your worries. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.